Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create ads level clips with Kling 3.0, focusing on 4 key types of consistency. The great thing is you can achieve these high quality results at a fraction of the cost and time compared to traditional ads production. Let's dive in. If you want to keep both your product and characters consistent in your ad, just follow these steps. Upload a start and end frame in the Video 3.0 generation interface. Then click Bind Elements. Upload a single product render. Hit AI multi-shot and pick the set of product images you like best. Or if you already have 3 renders from different angles, you can just upload those directly. Same goes for characters. And Kling AI lets you bind up to 3 subjects at once. Pretty powerful, right? Next, here's how to keep the logo or text on your product consistent. The first 4 steps are the same: upload and bind your subject. Then in your prompt, simply add, keep the logo text consistent. Just make sure the image you upload has a clear, readable logo. In your ad, you might need 1 or multiple character voices. Here's how it works. When binding a character, you can choose a preset voice or upload your own. You can even assign a voice to products. The coolest part? Even if you skip this step, Kling AI will automatically match voices to your characters and keep them consistent throughout.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I've just been swamped with work lately.
Don't forget, scene consistency is just as important in ads. If you want a time-lapse shot in the same scene, include keywords static camera, long time-lapse, and high-speed playback. That's how you capture the sense of time passing with rich changes in lighting and atmosphere. If you're planning to use Kling 3.0 for commercial-level ads, go ahead and save this video, and make sure to follow Kling AI's official account. If you have any questions or want to see other tutorials, just drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks. It's been a while.
Yeah, I've just been swamped with work lately. Those headphones look really sleek.
Yeah, this is Kling's latest drop.
How's the audio profile?
Next level.
Let's catch up on those Klings next time.
Okay, bye.